Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by verifying the precise wording of the disabled notice and noting any case ID because that directs the fix. Next, gather recovery details: recovery email, phone, last sign-in time, and which devices you used recently. Once done, switch to a private browser or incognito on a trusted device to avoid cached credentials interfering. Make sure two-step methods are reachable and that your network is reliable, because these basics speed up verification and prevent avoidable automatic rejections. You now complete the official recovery or appeal form carefully, entering your full Google account address and any case ID. Explain succinctly why your account should be reinstated, be factual about recent actions, and mention relevant dates or devices. Upload government ID only if explicitly requested. Follow size and format constraints. Blurred or wrong files slow the process. After submission, watch the recovery email closely for follow-up, and be prepared to reply quickly with additional details if Google asks for clarification. You finish by actively tracking responses and answering any Google requests quickly. Delays hurt your chances. If your appeal is denied, gather additional proof, timestamps, billing, device serials, and resubmit with a clearer explanation. If standard routes fail, try escalating through official support chat or known help channels while keeping records of every communication. One simple troubleshooting move: clear cookies, use a different device or network, and review recent account activity to spot suspicious actions that explain why Google disabled the account.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.